to add color in picture gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on gallery app and click on folder. Scroll down and click on picture. After click on picture, click on this three dot icon and click on details. Now here showing you color. Click on color. After click on color, you will see and after and before picture is showing here. So if you want to save picture, click on save. You will see your color picture is saved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add color in gallery picture on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.